It all started when I found a restaurant called L&L Drive-In down at Lily House Street. And I said, well, I better buy a restaurant for my mom. And I bought the restaurant for her.
My name is Johnson Camp. I come from Macau in 1971. When I come to Hawaii, I meet most of my friends are immigrants from China. Most of them are working for a Chinese restaurant or fast food restaurant. That's why I started my first L&L in 1976 with Eddie's mother, Margaret Flores.
How's this for a small business success? You start from virtually nothing, and today you enjoy a 400% annual growth rate.
Today, more than half the L&Ls are on the U.S. mainland, everywhere from Arizona and California to Boston and New York City.
My parents are both immigrants. Johnson, Cam, and Christina are immigrants as well. Starting L&L was their American dream. It's what provided for them, provided the life that I have. We started off humble roots, right? One location on Liliha in Hawaii. Now we have over 200 locations in 15 different states. When you join L&L, you join our ohana. We provide our franchisees with much more flexibility, really allowing them to be entrepreneurs. Everything that we have set up is for the success of the franchisee. It's not for the success of the corporation. We have the lowest fee structure, which allows the owner to take home as much as they can in terms of margin.
The main office really has a team to help you get launched and to help you learn the brand, learn the business, and grow.
We're here to really help you create this new legacy for you and your family. So to be a part of a business where I get to help people achieve their American dream, there's nothing I could be more passionate about.
The most rewarding thing for me is developing my team. Seeing them grow and develop skills and also giving back to the community has been really enjoyable.
And it's fun. You have to love to cook and love to serve. You have time and your heart.
We call the plate lunch, what we serve at L&L, the comfort food of Hawaii. It encompasses multiple Asian flavors. It's what warms your belly, it's what makes you think of home or family or whatever it might be. L&L plates do that for you. We have huge portions, cooked-to-order food, really delicious proteins.
So it's great for family, great for everyone.
You know there's something special about this place. My goal is for us to just continue to grow.
It's sharing the aloha with the communities that we have here and spreading that aloha to the mainland.
I want us to be everywhere in the United States and see some international locations as well. So excited to bring on more franchisees to help spread Hawaiian barbecue across the nation.